Spectrum has come out twice to work on the internet, but still having issues with Wi-Fi. Doesn't lose connection, but websites get stuck randomly and often. Have tried resetting, power cycling, etc. Modem has been replaced and wires. Any idea what it could be? The router is about 2 years old. Video attached to show example. Streaming is not really an issue, mainly searching.
Are you experiencing the frustrating dilemma of Spectrum Wi-Fi not working? Don't worry, you are not alone. Internet connectivity issues can be a real headache, but before you call for professional help, let's explore some DIY solutions to get your Spectrum Wi-Fi up and running again. Firstly, try the classic trick of turning it off and on again. Unplug your modem and router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. This simple reset can often resolve many connectivity issues. If that doesn't do the trick, check for any loose cables or connections. Sometimes a loose cable might be the culprit behind the connectivity hiccup. Ensure all cables are securely plugged into their respective ports. Next, access your Wi-Fi signal strength. If you are too far from the router, the signal may be weak. Move closer and see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, interference from other electronic devices or neighboring Wi-Fi networks can impact your signal. Try changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router settings to reduce interference. Updating your router firmware is another crucial step. Visit the Spectrum website, log into your account, and check for any available firmware updates for your specific router model. If all else fails, consider contacting Spectrum's customer support for assistance. They can run diagnostics on your connection and guide you through additional troubleshooting steps. In conclusion, Spectrum Wi-Fi issues can be resolved with a bit of patience and some troubleshooting. Start with the basics, experiment with these methods, and soon enough, you will be online and browsing seamlessly. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.